to another Motovlog. So hope you all are doing well and your week is going spectacularly. In today's video, I'm just gonna talk a little bit about what I've been up to. Quick little update. Been extremely busy with work this week, as Thanksgiving is next week and I'm in sales, meaning that after this week, not much will be getting done with any of my clients for pretty much the rest of the year. Fingers crossed that isn't actually the case, but that is kind of the expectation. But with another passing week brings some more exciting news and progress. My thumb is getting a bit better. For the first time pretty much since the crash, I was able to sit on my track bike, squeeze the brake lever very hard, and flip the throttle all in one motion. Just sitting on the bike, of course, not riding it. But that was the first time it didn't bother me much. So, looking like we're a go for Turkey Days in 2 weeks. I do also have a follow-up appointment with my orthopedist this coming Monday. So hopefully we'll be getting some good news regarding the splint and not having to wear it anymore at that point in time. But we'll see. In addition to that, I have devised a plan to end up with some Pirelli Super Corsa TDs for this Turkey Days event for the Tuono V4. Thanks, man. Not so bad yourself. I love triples. But yes, we'll have some fresh sticky rubber for the Tuono V4 factory, which I plan on riding for an entire day. Should be quite a good time. Very much looking forward to it. So something else too that has come up a couple times actually in the last couple weeks, I feel like I've had a few questions about my motovlogging setup. Just my camera setup for my helmet, mic and everything. So what would you guys think about a video recapping that? Let me know. Comment below. Tell me, are you interested? I'll probably just make it anyways. But look at this beautiful evening. I really just wanted to get out for a ride, enjoy the crisp starting to become cool. What are you doing, bro? Fall air. Enjoy a nice ride. And I've made a friend on an MT-09. What you know about that? I just wanted to get out and have a good time, enjoy some beautiful views, like the sunset we're coming up to. Ooh. Not run into the back of this. What is this? RAV4? A Highlander. That's what it is. It's a Highlander. It's a Toyota. But yeah, that's basically all I've got going on. So really looking forward to getting back out at the racetrack. Thumb is feeling significantly better, even from the last time I made a video for you guys, so outlook is positive right now. Excited to start making a progress in those track skills again. Very much excited. It's one of the things I live for. That and just riding motorcycles, even just cruising like this on my Tuono. One of my favorite things to do. Just take in the sights and the smells, the sounds, the feelings. Always a great time. But anyways, I'm gonna sit behind this car, at least until it gets out of the way, and chill and enjoy my cruise. So thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you consider doing so, hitting that notification bell, giving just a gentle little click to the like button. Drop a comment below if you just like going out on random cruises by yourself and taking in the nature and the feeling. Oh, okay. But yeah, anyways, with that, I hope to catch you in the next one. Till then, have a great rest of your week, and later.